Got this guy doing pictures on an empty, closed off road. Chopper's killing it with the Honda. Look at that, pie cuts.
Cleanliness, like it's nice and precise, but everything has to be clean. The steel, like, is, you could get away with the most, and then like stainless has to be very clean, aluminum has to be very clean, titanium is extremely clean, and sometimes you even have to weld it.
So what are we doing different now?
So now we just have
you got the big cup.
A larger cup, so it's increased argon coverage, which allows you to stick it out.
Okay.
So you should be able to see this a little easier.
Yeah, that fucking tip is getting red as fuck too.
Yeah.
Woo. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Is that too hot right there?
No, so this, you can essentially control the color with this, because see, like, this is, a lot of the hot metal is exposed to the atmospheric air, and so it kind of discolors this. This, you could see how they're, like, a perfect weld is silver or straw colored, but I mean, like, the color really doesn't do much. It's just essentially how long the weld is shielded for, essentially.
So would that be less shielding right there on the,
yeah,
on the colored one, and so more like, contamination in a way?
In a way, yeah. But I'll show you next time. Watch as I'm finishing. When I move the cup off, you'll see the color come in.
Okay.
Okay, now look closely.
Oh yeah, as you're leaving.
Yeah. So you heard the gas kept on going.
Yeah.
So as it lost coverage, that's when it discolors.
So if you want it not to discolor, you would have to keep holding it on there.
Exactly.
A little longer.
So like I'll do it again and I'll hold it on.
So this, I just hold.
Yep. Get into a comfortable position. If you want, put some of this on your lap. Yep. And so this, just practice running it. Yep. There you go.
I'll make a small line.
Yeah. And this, hold this more to your tip so you don't burn your fingers. But practice just running and dabbing into it. Yeah.
I'll probably look at it from the side would be the best, right?
Yeah, I mean, wherever you want. Like, this filler is technically supposed to be fed in like that.
Like this?
Know? Yeah.
Okay, I'll give it a shot.
Yeah, hold on. Let me get into the other side first.
It's already dark. Okay.
Great. Yeah, because your phone is triggering it.
No shit.
Yeah.
Hold on, let's take that phone out. Let's put that phone somewhere else. Why do phones trigger that?
Remember, start the arc, push it to the floor, and then don't start adding material till you see that puddle.
Okay. I can have it tilted a little bit, this or not?
A little bit, not much.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yep. Alright, to the floor. Push the pedal all the way down. There you go.
Oh, okay. Not the best at dabbing, but
Yeah. It's still pretty good.
it came out not bad, right?
Not bad.
Hell yeah.
Which one?
Let's take a look at that. That's mine right there.
In the middle? I'm not gonna make it as hot.
This one's okay, right?
Yeah.
This is a weird fucking angle.
And if you want, we
Alright,
could we can move this over. So angle, bring this in. You have to feed it like that. There you go. Yeah, yeah. And then wait till you get that puddle. And run with it.
You ready?
Yeah. So you started damping too early. You gotta give it more gas.
You ready?
Yeah. There you go. Start feeding in. Back off a little bit on the gas.
That shit, yeah. It's definitely not. It's definitely not welding like I thought it would, right?
I mean, try again. Like, so I'll tell you.
Nothing.
To the floor. There you go. Back off with the gas a little bit. And at the end, remember, nice and slow. Nice. It's definitely an improvement.
It's definitely different, and I felt the heat because I was kind of on this.
Oh, yeah,
I
yeah.
felt the heat coming up in here. Well, it's a little better, but man.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true.